secretary, receive it in Jesus' name.
In the Lord, till we are separated by death.
Wakati wa counseling tumekuwa sana tuna communicate na kuandikiana. Kwa hivyo nataka kuchallenge wachungaji wote. Ni vizuri hata kusoma these sign languages, kuweza ili kutumikia watu wote, kwa sababu hawa watu tuko nao, na tukue friendly, kanisa zetu zikuwe friendly kwa hawa watu. Tusome hizo sign languages na mambo kama hayo ili tuweze kucommunicate vizuri na hawa watu wanapokuja kwetu kanisani.
I also think persons with disabilities in the society should be appreciated just like us. We can do anything just like other people. The deaf and the hearing are equal, except that we can't hear. So most people will be worried that the deaf will suffer, they're married. No. We are equal with the hearing people. And I will work hard to ensure that my marriage becomes successful. May God bless all of you. And I'm very happy that God came with us and guided our parents, who ensured that they followed through this wedding. I remember when I was a small boy, I used to dream about a day when I'll do my wedding, and I will pray about it, asking God to help me so that I have my wedding. And so today is the day. I'm so happy that the God has answered my prayers. So I thank Him so much for this day. And right now, I feel so much relieved because I love her so much, and I've loved her for a very long time.